Each winter, giant cuttlefish gather in their thousands near Whyalla to court, mate and lay their eggs. The only known place in the world this can be witnessed is in the shallow waters off Point Lowly in the Upper Spencer Gulf of South Australia. A relative of squid and octopus, this animal's intelligence and versatility is amazing to behold. Adult males strobe zebra patterns along their mantles and down their tentacles, stretching out to impress the females and contest other males for their attention. After mating and laying, both male and female cuttlefish die, making their population particularly vulnerable to the commercial fishing and environmental change. If the animals are fished before they reach the breeding grounds, they will have never had the opportunity to reproduce. In 2011, the annual winter breeding aggregation of the cuttlefish in waters at Point Lowly suffered an unexplained and catastrophic drop. Since then, each winter, the aggregation has got smaller and smaller. The reasons behind this population collapse have not been explained. Extensive research into the possible abiotic and biotic causes was undertaken by a dedicated cuttlefish working group formed by the government. Due to the lack of historic data, the causes have not been proven. There are presently a number of multi-million-dollar proposed industrial developments planned for the same strip of coastline, and fierce opposition to the developments has arisen from community groups, scientists and conservationists. Upon research of this iconic species, I have learned many facts, in particular the vulnerability to its environment. They need just the right conditions, just the right kind of rocks, just the right kind of salinity, just the right kind of cool temperature to make the breeding work. It is crucial to keep that the way it is. What attracts tourists and scientists to observe the species is their ability to change and diversify the colours and patterns of their skin. Scientists have referred to it as electric skin or smart skin because they can implement all of their behaviour through their skin patterns. It is really quite extraordinary and a natural spectacle that attracts many to the area. The giant cuttlefish are spectacular and an important part of the marine ecosystem. If we get this wrong, we could potentially lose an iconic species, as we're not going to get a second chance. The decline in numbers were evident because of the tourists they attract each winter. My concern is that what if other marine life is being affected, but because of their anonymity we are unaware. To make a difference, we can support petitions to urge the state government to insist on relocating proposed industrial developments such as the desalination plant and iron ore export facility, and we can adhere to the fishing bans in the area. It is still unknown if the cuttlefish are choosing to aggregate and lay eggs somewhere else. By logging sightings of the cuttlefish through RedMap, it can assist in locating these possible alternative locations. Inquiring about the well has been a great unit to undertake, which has given me the opportunity to expand my awareness and knowledge of a local environmental sustainability issue. My advice to future students taking this unit would be to spend the time to brainstorm topics that are of interest to you, something you've always perhaps wondered about. It is a great learning opportunity and an enjoyable unit.